Hello traders out there in Traderland. My name's Dez here at Grok Trade. It's Tuesday, April 2nd, 2013. Markets in the day mixed. At one point the markets were in full bull territory. Actually the Dow was up nearly 100 points at one point, up 0.61%, the S&P up 0.5%, Nasdaq up 0.5%. Russell's though in negative territory by 0.5%. So small caps really failing here. A lot of the newscasters are saying because of what happened to precious metals, which you'll see are down more than 1%, actually gold down 1.5%, silver down 2.73%. They were saying that people are leaving the safe havens of precious metals and going into stocks. However, the problem is that were the case, you'd have small caps doing exceptionally well. Actually, I would expect this to be around 1% in positive territory. But you'll see that the VIX dropped a staggering almost 6%. Down below 13. We're at 12.78 right now. But financials took a nasty little dive with commodities, really taking away any of this bullish activity we saw in the major indices, because banks are down 0.6%. US dollar bouncing back up 0.22%, and crude oil off a fraction. With that, you'll see utilities doing well. Now that is a defensive sector here, and you'll see that's in positive territory. Taking a look here at the S&P daily, you'll see that we had this little drop, but we've been popping here. Yesterday we had a little bit of a sell-off, but boom, man, we're right here in bullish territory yet again, making these nice little highs. So today's high put us at 1573. Not too bad. Look here at the Dow, you'll see that we have a nice little pop, but the volume down here isn't that great. But nonetheless, the markets are staying strong. The Nasdaq here, it's just choppy sideways, but we're still rising on our 20 simple day moving average. As long as we stay above that, the markets are bullish. But the Russell's negative territory. Now here's the problem with the Russells. If you go back here, which puts us in 2012, we have a support area. That support area really has rung true here February of 2013. And then coming across, you'll see that we closed below a support area. That's no good. You can see that we hit resistance, we failed to hit that resistance here, relative weakness, and now we have a close on the wrong side of the fence. So that is some thunder in the distance. So we have users from 155 countries. Thank you for coming and watching our videos. And we are in Espanol now. And make sure you watch Miguel's videos each and every weekday, starting yesterday. So spread the word, tell your friends, all those who speak Spanish. You're part of those Spanish websites that are set aside for traders. Make sure you let people know that we also are doing weekly commentary on the markets, and make sure you see Nietzsche's on the weekend. And do not forget Mark's stock trading videos each and every day, especially if you are a day trader. And we'll talk to you all soon. Thank you for being a part, and thank you for spreading the word.